YouTube, I am at it again. I got a special guest who wanted to be on the channel. Blue. I got my dog out here. I'm at my buddy's place. And I came over here for a few reasons, but first, let's take a quick flight around the area. Hey, get over here. You'll hear me calling this dog. His name is Blue, but you may hear that name throughout the video. Come on. All right, let's go over this lake here. I'm over in Dover, Florida. I came over here, one reason, I wanted to see during sunset where it would be compared to this lake, but I can see now that that's not going to work for me. I got to find some shade here. I'll sit on this trailer. Maybe, see lots of bugs, but it'll work. Okay, let's get at it. Yeah, it's been a while since I flew over here. And we'll just do a lefty. Well, I'm surprised we are that high. I didn't think we were that high, but let's go down just a little. I don't want to fly over anyone's house, but it was last time I checked, I think it got up to 87 degrees today. Can someone tell the state of Florida it should not be this hot near Thanksgiving? Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, early Thanksgiving, guys. Let me back out a little, but this property here used to be owned by a country singer called Mel Tillis. I wouldn't mind having that for myself. Guess I got to play the lotto tonight. But I'm not going to fly over his house. We'll keep on flying up here. This road here, I think it's Dr. Martin Luther King Highway. If you go east, it'll take you to Plant City. If you go west, it'll take you to Tampa. I think this is a U-Haul place here now. And Blue. I hear him, but I don't see him. Hey, get over here. Come on. I wish he would just sit down and relax. Get over here. Come on. Excuse me, YouTube. Maybe a truck repair facility here. We could fly over. I'm gonna go like here and we'll speed up. And I wanted to take a look at this. Zoom back out. Where is it? Here we go. Let's see what this place is. I gotta go up. Excuse me, YouTube. I was losing signal here. It looked like a truck facility or maybe a parking lot. I don't know. And okay, that's a different lake. Let's see where else we could go over here. Let me go in cine mode. I really need to dial in my settings in the gain and expo. Look like here's some construction. Not sure what they're putting out there, but now I need to go fast. So zoom back out. Okay. Look like some type of mounds.
Max altitude reached.
Okay. All right, let's start heading back. And the sun is almost going down. Let me glance and see where this dog is, but we're heading back. I did 2 other videos. I think it'll probably be a little interesting than this, but I haven't posted them yet. You'll probably see this before those videos, but it is the day before Thanksgiving now. I know this is a trucking company or area. We'll keep going. Over here to the left is a church, and it's they usually have an annual car show there. Let me get up just a little.
Max altitude reached.
But the last one I went, I think it was this year, but it was pretty good. Okay, we got to turn over here. I'm losing signal. And we'll head back. Let's go here. Here's another park. Let me lower my altitude a little. I hear aircraft. It's over by me, so. Sometimes they have the, I guess the RC boats. They race them on this lake here. Let's see where over here. I see that aircraft. It's way up there. I'm still not quite used to. Oh, where's my dog? Blue! Where did he go? Oh, okay. Oh. Hey, get over here. Come. I may cut that out in the video. Get over. Come here. Blue, get over here. Hey, sit, sit. We're almost doing a loop here, but again, this was I don't know, just a video to fly, I guess, just to get the drone out. Here, I think this, yeah, they're starting to build houses here. I've not even seen one, but I definitely want to see how they're looking. I suspect in the near future, all of this land will be development, housing. Looks like the lots are pretty big. They're not too close together. And there's the sunset. It's over some water, but not the one I was hoping it would be over. I wonder how this is going to look on the big screen. Sit, bud. Sit. I'll give him some water here shortly. Maybe I'll record myself giving my dog some water. It's the sunset. Okay, we'll bring it back. And I can give my dog some water. Probably could do this on the, I was going to say on the action camera, but anyway, let's get over here. We'll fly out a little and then come on. All right, let's turn over here. And start coming down. Bring it over here. Okay, let's go in cine mode. Maybe not. Let's back it up. And we'll point it right at the pad here. Now, I'm gonna leave it there. Let me get some water for the dog. I taught him when he was a puppy to drink water out of the bottle. Now I gotta look at the monitor. Okay, see this, and I'm gonna just pour it and he should drink. Come. It's cold water. He's probably saying, what's going on? Come on, get some more. Let me go a little slower. Blue, come on. You can't have all of it now. You good? More? Oh. He was thirsty here. Okay, that's enough. I got to drink the rest. Well, the good thing is I won't have to walk him anymore tonight. Now, as always, I want to try and have some fun here. At one time, I don't know what drone it was. It allowed me to, and I'll show you this on the screen recorder. It allowed me to, I should have put active track. Hold on, guys. Stay. Hey, stay. It allowed me to track him. There it is. Now I'll go to active track. Unable to switch. Okay. Let's hit stop. Let's do him again. I'll just leave it like that. Let's see if it works. It's not, hey, get over here. It's not following him, but I can, hey! I could, now it caught me instead of the dog. But it was doing the dog for a little bit. Anyway, let's do a, let me stop that active track. I'm gonna do a droney, if I can still remember how to do it. See? And then I'll say goodbye to you guys. Blue, come get in the video. Come here. Come. Hey, Skip, come here. Come here. Sit. Blue. Let's see if my training paid off. Sit. Hey, sit. Sit. We're losing business, Blue. Sit. Okay, YouTube. I'll see you guys on the next video.